miracles happening. That's
you
what you
wanted interesting. We have interesting in our back seat.
Yeah.
Finally we
I was
have
supposed
party.
to reach in morning 10.
Yeah.
Yeah, what is it now?
It's 1 a.m.
It's
Yeah,
1
I
a.m.
reached the next day 1 a.m.
It was Indian Standard Time
I
party.
reached on time.
I was a little late.
I was the only one who reached on time. Joy was already here, so that doesn't count.
Oh, you're recording this. I didn't listen to this. This is it, right?
We have finally stopped for the tea break, as promised.
It's 8:30.
Of course, it's 8:30.
You said you'll start at 6.
Actually, it was very difficult to find a place for tea as well. Just look around, there is nothing. There's just this one stall that we found. We're trying to have a tea over here.
We said hi like 10 times already.
When did you say hi?
We need
From the start.
to say something else other than hi.
I'm not saying hi to anybody. Not even the camera.
From airport, I have been saying hi.
When the plan changed, I was like, hi.
हेलो
हाँ जी।
नमस्कार सर
नमस्कार, बोलिए।
सर रॉयल जैसलमेर रिसोर्ट से बात कर रहा हूँ।
कहाँ से?
रॉयल जैसलमेर रिसोर्ट आज आप
हाँ जी, हाँ जी सर, बताइए।
हाँ जी सर, मैं कब तक एक्सपेक्ट आप सकते हैं?
सर हमें तो अभी 6 घंटे और लगेगा, 6-7 घंटे और लगेगा। तो हम शाम को आएंगे, 6, साढ़े 6, 7 बजे तक पहुँच जाएंगे। So we are around 4 hours away from the destination. 4 or 5 hours actually, right? 5 hours?
It will take 5 hours.
It will take 5 hours.
Your breaks.
Because some extracurricular breaks that I like to take. We are actually pretty tired because of the
Weather.
weather. It's pretty hot over here, and then we drove so much while changing the destination altogether.
And we packed for winter, right?
Yeah, we
We packed for winter. We packed for sub-zero temperature, and now it's 30 degrees. We are in desert.
we have jackets and we are visiting a desert.
Thanks,
That's
Joy.
so wise of us. But no, hopefully at night it will get actually pretty cold, so I'm assuming that will be pretty handy. But the daylight is what we are worried about.
We need more clothes. We
We
need
need
less clothes. Less of more clothes.
So currently, so we ordered lunch over here, We are starving. We are actually starving. We did not have proper breakfast. We did not have proper dinner.
And he is giving it to everyone except us.
And the food is coming to everybody except for us.
As usual.
Of course, when the waiter comes over.
What?
Should somebody say ice cream? Finally, the food is here. This is dal makhni, our favorite.
Hope it is as delicious as
This is kadai paneer. Yeah, actually, we hope it's delicious.
It should be.
And the glorious tandoori roti, which completes everything in Indian cuisine. Oh, party.
It's very
Oh,
good, sir.
party.
Still.
It feels like a lifetime, man.
We are hoping we get there by 6:30-ish, I guess.
Yeah, you hope so.
And this guy slept. He was sleeping.
He's sleeping since yesterday.
Yes.
It's been almost 18 hours in the car. He's sleeping since 17.
We tried to record it, but he woke up.
Yeah.
He had the GoPro, so he woke up.
Yeah.
We'll record it. We have 5 more days. We'll record him
I was
sleeping.
completely awake when the market was on.
Actually, as soon as the market closed, this guy slept.
We would have reached faster if it wasn't for these guys.
It wasn't for joy.
See, right now
I'm
they're
not the one who's driving.
Still, you cannot sleep. You are in song
That
duty.
doesn't make the car any slower, man. Once the
You
hand-
are in song duty. Song
Of course.
makes the
perfect. Best tea till now in Rajasthan. So we got this sweet box from a friend of ours while coming over here. We plan to keep it at home.
I told you to keep it at home.
Like who will eat and all. We are having one every hour.
That's a 2 kg sweet.
There's a 2 kg sweet.
Yeah.
1 kg is already
Half
done.
is done. And it's just day 1.
Just day one.
Thank you for the diabetes.
Yeah, obviously.
Thank you for this, Anshu.
I did not want to have it, but now it's so in both.
Amy.
Mm.
As soon as I woke up, I ate one.
You take your phone. Wait. Damn it.
Another mask.
One mask is enough for you, right? Where do you want to wear the other mask?
We do not even have mask. 5'9". He is 5'8". What are you saying?
Yeah,
He is 5'6".
I am 5'8". Yeah, you are not 5'11", by the way.
I am.
You are not 5'11".
I'm somewhere between 5'10" and 5'11".
That's fine.
Anywho, we are out for day 2 today.
Day 2.
Day 2. So the plan right now is that we'll go to the fort, the Jaisalmer fort. We'll have lunch over there. Very interestingly, these guys will try out bhang today. So
I'm trusting Joy on that.
I don't trust these guys on that. I'm not taking it. Of course, I'll be driving it back. I'll driving the car back.
He's our driver now.
Yeah, I'm the official driver for the trip. But let's see, hopefully everything goes well. By evening, we are planning to go over to the borders, like India-Pakistan borders.
And shoot some people.
Not shoot some people,
With the
but
camera.
oh,
With the camera. What the?
you don't say stuff like that over there. But yeah. Wait,
Shotgun.
where's the keys, man? Do you have the keys? Yeah, I have the keys. Yeah. The wild camel. Now we have been walking for how many hours now?
Like 4 hours.
4 hours.
It's just 2 now.
It's 2 hours.
4 hours is too much. No?
And we are into the desert.
Still so fresh.
Still so fresh.
Just dry heat. It's not like.
Okay, these guys are screwing around. It's just been 2 minutes. There's the car. We have not even started entering the desert. हनी सिंह, घोड़े का नाम हनी सिंह है? ओहो, ऊंट का नाम। उन्होंने भी हाँ बोल दिया था। इतने धूप में नहीं भैया, शाम को करेंगे।
They're gonna chase you in that.
Try chasing me.
So they said you can climb, do whatever you want, and take pictures, but we are not allowed inside.
Can we go inside this time?
No. He said.
We can do whatever you want.
He said climb, not get in.
Just climb inside.
If you are stuck, don't call.
You lie down, I'll drive over.
That's what I'm doing. Recording and taking pictures. You see those monkeys?
These are not monkeys.
Those are monkeys. This.
Yeah, just do it.
You want me to go in the road and stand?
Parthi, this between your legs look very weird, man. Why not?
Look at that.
Okay, Parthi, hold it properly.
Did you
Hold
just
it like
switch
you
off the
own it.
This is where we came. This is where we came. masala because bhel puri I get it everywhere. It's new.
The thing is, they ordered their bhang drinks and he asked if you guys have had it before or not. So that is a good disclaimer, and thankfully these two guys said no, although they have tried it in holy parties once or twice. But these guys are good liars, right? So they lie a lot.
We lie better.
Not me, just Parthi.
He's a bad liar.
I'm a bad liar. I just got him all.
It says like medium and strong. Milkshake.
Of course, milkshake. So the issue is our Hulk is unable to fit into Civic. Look at him.
He has a very small car. So yeah, remember we tried bhang. It's been 2 hours after that, close to 2 hours, and nothing happened.
As you see, Parthi is completely fine. I'm also completely fine.
I'm not fine, I'm pissed off.
Joy knew it's nothing, that's why he did not have anything.
I did not want to spend $200.
That's a temple.
That's not a temple, that's a check post.
Okay, oh yeah.
Post?
So not taking the post. Okay.
Oh, okay. Gate के साथ ले लेते.
Yeah, this is recording.
So we are not apparently able to go ahead anymore. A nice military person stopped us. He explained us that it's like 40 kilometers away from here.
It's the border.
The border is like 40 kilometers away. There are few villages, but these are like not mainstream villages. They're like small houses where people stay, and they are like the army won't allow us to go inside. So this is the last that we could go.
So only the village people can enter. There is a person who just went there. He noted his name and he written something, and they opened the check post for him to go by. So I don't think by this time, I guess he won't be allowing us. Probably in the morning he might allow us to get in.
Never, man. It's not about the time.
It's not about
yeah,
the time.
so apparently we cannot get any closer to the border. Next time, Pakistan. Next time. But I edited. Next time, friendly neighboring country.
Next time.
Next
Come for you next time.
Yeah,
We will shoot you in the camera.
Okay, you need to be less liberal about the word shoot.
Okay, which way? Isn't the
That
other way?
way.
Oh, the right way? Okay. I'll switch
Okay,
off.
seat belt.
Bye-bye.
We don't need no sleep because the party don't stop. So put your hands on me and turn me on, turn me up. We don't need no sleep because the party don't stop.
once it charged.
Visibility check. Yes, so we are switching hotels. We had enough of camp. It's very hot and it gets a little lonely and boring. So anyway, we are going over to a resort. This is like a better property than what we have already. So hopefully it will be a new experience.
Ciao.
The bitching room.
It's a nice room.
It's a nice room. It's a decently nice room. It has decently bad view, but it's fine. So it's like good enough. Dude, why? Why? This is the last thing that I want to find on my bed.
This idiot made a coffee. I wouldn't say it's a coffee. No one were able to drink it.
Poison. It's plain simple poison.
Okay,
No sugar, no milk, no coffee. I don't know what is it. How it got that color?
Again. I tried to make coffee.
Get lost.
Told them that I
Get
don't know
lost.
how to make it.
So it goes into the sink. Bad coffee. And I'm like playing Tamil songs for these guys.
Tamil road trip songs. Rajasthan listening to Tamil songs.
You can see the fun in his face. And he did not care. He's trading, I guess. Oh, he's enjoying the music. Thanks, man. What? So clearly, he's not in the car right now.
Cows. Beef.
Nice road.
Hostels is sweet. Jao bhai jao. Jao jao jao. We cannot mess with you. This has to go. The final one. They're vlogging. We have reached 4 Points by Sheraton. Either this hotel is inside a mall or the mall is inside the hotel. We don't.
We entered 4 Point Sheraton Hotel.
We have Jaipur view.
This is our room. Joy was being very abusive. He thought
Yeah.
we won't have a view.
I kept it to myself. The drama queen is getting her pics flicked already. Come on, Partha. Arre. See you down. Arre.
So we are vacating 4 Point Sheraton. What is the review,
4
Joy?
points by Sheraton. It's so bad. It's so bad.
The
definitely not 4
food
points.
is very bad.
It's a phrase,
Somewhere
right?
around 2.5 to 3 points.
What? 3?
I'll give it 2 points.
Two.
I'm just calling it 2 points now.
So we're gonna check out.
Yeah.
Do the billing.
We are checking out.
Our official driver gonna take the car.
The official
And-
driver is the valet. Then
So bye 4 Point.
so they couldn't cook food and they are brewing. How is that possible?
That's orange juice.
It's orange juice.
No.
That's
It's gonna taste like orange juice.
For Joy.
We are waiting for our driver.
Yeah.
He's late
He's in the
as
parking and we
usual.
have been here for like 20 minutes now.
I don't know where he is. I think he's lost.
He's
Or-
lost. He's lost in the parking.
We should call him.
Yeah. He tried using Google Map in the parking, but it did not work.
It never works. Google Home never works.
He's like finding a way now. He might call us anytime to pick him up.
Been a long time without you. Been a long time without love. Everything reminds me of you, but everything is not enough. Feeling out by the ocean, along those white hot sands. Every sunrise is just for you.